Hi, I'm Daniel from HPOO, and in this video I want to show you how system properties can be used in Workflow Designer, the OO web-based authoring tool. For that, I will take an existing flow that uses constants as flow and step inputs, and I will enhance it to use system properties instead. This flow makes a REST call to an OO central server in order to get all the content packs that are deployed and filter them based on a provided string. First step that we need to do is creating a new system properties file in the desired folder structure. Let's name it Central Details because it will keep all the information about our OO Central that we need for this project. To add a new system property in the file, we have to click on the Add System Property button. I will add all the properties that I need for my central, and I will assign a value to each one. Each system property can be marked as sensitive. In this case, CloudSlang will encrypt the variable on compilation. Though, if you want to assign a constant value to a sensitive system property, you'll be warned that it's not secure to keep a clear text value in a system property marked as sensitive. For now, we'll let the password field empty, and the value for it will be added in central. You can see that an identifier is automatically assigned to the system property according to its name. If you create a system property in a file that is inside a subfolder, as we did, the identifier will contain folder name also. It's very important to understand that the identifier should be unique. Otherwise, designer will identify it as a duplicate and it will not be able to be included in a content pack. The system property can be seen as duplicated even if it's not in the same system properties file. For example, if you have another system property file called proxy details, and inside we want to add a system property with the same name as in central details file, let's say hostname, it will be seen as a duplicate because it has the same identifier. In order to avoid this, we'll add this file in another subfolder. So we'll create a new subfolder called proxy, and inside it we'll copy our system properties file. We see now that this system property has a different identifier, so it's not seen as duplicated anymore. Now we can delete the old file and we'll see that the error will disappear also. Going back to our flow, we'll be able now to use our system properties on the flow and step level. For example, on the Get Deployed Content Packs tab, we'll use the username and the password taken from the system property. Also, we'll feed the flow inputs from the system properties variables. If we open the textual representation of our flow, the getSpice syntax shows us that there are inputs which gets their values from system properties. Finally, we'll deploy the content pack to central. As I said before, we have to assign the password value here in central. To do that, we go in the Content Management workspace and we select Configuration Items tab. We identify our password system property and we click Edit button. On the Override field, we add our password. In this manner, the password will be kept as encrypted on central. You can also override any deployed system property in order to change how your flow will be executed. Thank you for watching. For more videos and guides, you can follow our community.